In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an average deal size report in Salesforce. This is a powerful tool that will help your team analyze and understand the average size of deals you've closed, offering valuable insight into sales performance and potential areas for growth. Let's dive right in and break down the process into easy steps that you can follow along. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Salesforce account. Once you've successfully signed in, you're going to navigate to the Reports section. This is where all your data comes together, making it easy for you to compile the information you're interested in. Once you're in the Reports area, locate and click on the New Report button. This is going to allow you to start from scratch to build a report tailored to your specific needs. When you're prompted to select the type of report, what you need to do is opt for Opportunities. After selecting Opportunities, hit the Continue button. This will set the framework for your report by pulling data from all the sales opportunities that your business has identified. Now that you've got your base set, it's time to focus on filtering that data to make it more meaningful. First, you should set the stage filter to close one. This is important because you want your report to focus only on those deals that have been successfully completed, providing a true reflection of your average deal size. Next, refine this data further by setting the close date filter to your desired time range. This could be for a specific month, quarter, or year, depending on what time period you're interested in assessing. Now let's consider the rows of your report. You have the option to leave the data ungrouped, which will give you an overall average for your deals. Alternatively, you can group these rows by different criteria like owner or region if you're looking for more granular insights. Grouping by owner might help you identify which sales team members have the largest deals, while grouping by region can pinpoint geographic areas with high-value transactions. After setting up your filters and groups, you're going to need to click on the drop-down menu by the Amount field. Select Summarize from the options and then choose Average. This will calculate the average deal size for all the closed and won opportunities within your specified criteria. Finally, you're ready to bring your report to life. Click Save and Run. At this point, you'll be prompted to name your report. Make sure to choose something descriptive that you'll easily remember. Once you've named your report, go ahead and click Save. And there you have it. Your average deal size report is now live in Salesforce, ready to be viewed and analyzed. By following these clear steps, you'll have a comprehensive tool at your fingertips to help guide your sales strategy and decision-making process. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.